Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Saturday, prime time, 5:30. My goal tonight is to hit $100. Let's just see how long it's gonna take. I've come close. I've come in the 80s and the 90s, and then I get bad offers and I call it a night. But tonight, I want 3 digits. I want 100. We're gonna start off with an easy one, $6.49, 11 minutes. Let's go grab some Chick-fil-A. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, I appreciate that, and I will take that. Thank you. As I was walking into Chick-fil-A, they gave me another one, $11.09 add-on for 20 minutes. It's right next door. Let's go pick it up. Starting off on fire. For Uber, 1A18D, Jonathan. Awesome, thank you. There you go, enjoy.
Have a great night.
You too. Got some great news. As soon as I drop that off, Uber pulls clutch and gives me this one, $13.46 for only 26 minutes. But you know what? As much as I love that, I do not love the restaurant I'm going to. If you've watched any of my other videos, you'll see I have waited and I have waited. I was blinded by the $13 and it's really close, but I'm rolling the dice. I want that money. Let's hope it's ready. I'm picking up Uber Eats for Alana.
Already? I don't think it's ready yet.
Okay.
Yeah, it will just pop up here.
Perfect. Thank you. At 41B78.
Perfect, there you go.
Thank you, appreciate it. You know what? I knew that going in when I accepted. I was blinded by over $13. I waited 17 minutes just waiting for that order. I was waiting. The servers kept coming over, checking in on me, apologizing, saying, we're just not great at this. I knew this, but I took it anyway and eventually got it delivered. And then guess what? I'm waiting again, waiting again. I'm going to these nice restaurants, hoping for an order. I'm not getting anything. But thankfully, I got this one, $7.34 for 18 minutes. You know what? It's not the best order, but I'd rather be delivering than waiting. So let's go grab it. Hi, Uber 48060. Yes. Perfect. This one? Thank you. My goal is still $100, but it's going to be a long night. I've been waiting and waiting, and now I got this one. You know what? I don't think I should have even taken it, but I did. $10.57 for 34 minutes. It's 2 deliveries from the same restaurant. At least I'm moving and getting closer and closer to that $100 goal. I have 2 of them. So the first one is 4E544.
4E544.
Yep.
Okay.
And CBD2E. Oh, it's both of those. Perfect. Just on time. Thank you. Appreciate that. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thanks. I got your dinner for you. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Take care. That last double, because both orders were ready, only took 28 minutes. As soon as I got right back into the zone, they gave me a real good one, way better than the other one. $11.38, 20 minutes. It's only one pickup, but it's Taco Bell. And as we all know, Taco Bell sucks. Let's hope it's ready. Hi, Natalie, Uber Eats. These ones here? Perfect, thank you. There's your food, and I'll grab your drinks right here. And there you go. Enjoy. No problem. Take care. Appreciate it. I'm not sure about this night. I don't know what's happening on a Saturday night. It should be a lot busier. It's really hot. People are probably not feeling like cooking, but I'm seeing patios happening and I'm not happening until now. $11.16 minutes. That could have a hidden tip. Could be more. I'm climbing my way. Let's see how far I can climb. Yeah. 9C76A.
This one, 2.
Oh,
2 bags.
perfect. Yeah, I'll take it. Thank you.
Put your bags over here if you want.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Yeah, no worries. Thank you. Thankfully, we got another one, $9.66 for 12 minutes. It's really close. If it's ready, it's going to be done under 10. I'm going to grab this, and if you can like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Talk to you soon.
That's it? Perfect, thank you.
Hey, you waiting one?
Got your delivery. Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too, take care.
Slowly but surely, we're inching closer to that $100 goal for tonight. And we got this one to help us get there. $7.54, 11 minutes. It's the movie theater. It's just 2 bags of popcorn. That should be ready, and another one under 10. That will put us around $88. And that's normally the time I would quit. We still got $12 to go. Let's go get it.
Perfect. How you doing tonight? Not too bad. Let me give you that to you. Have a wonderful night. Take care.
When I say we're inching towards the finish line, I really mean it. Look at this one. $7.09, 9 minutes. It should be easy. It's a gas station. It should be quick. I will take this all day, every day, but I really was hoping for $12. I just want this night to be done. Let's give me the 100.
Uber Eats for Alicia. Great. Thank you.
Guess what? That order, though it was $11, did have a hidden tip on it. They gave an additional $2.83. So that puts me within $1.60 away from the magical number of 100. So you know what? I took this one. $5, 16 minutes. Let's get her done and let's get this night over with. Cha-ching!
Ah, perfect. I had a feeling it was that one. Thank you. You too. Thanks a lot.
So that brings my night to a close. Sorry you didn't get that last drop off. Honestly, the battery just died. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's just not recording anymore. So I wasn't able to get that recorded. The problem is I was just waiting at restaurants all night. That's what killed my time. I actually hit the 5-hour mark pretty much on the dot, and that brought me to $103.45. You know what? $20 an hour. I was out 5 hours. Not too bad. Not great either. But hey, I hit $100. It should have been way sooner. But you know what? I'll take it. How long does it take you to get to $100? Comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.